Chapter 5 Sip. We continue our journey. We stop only when we need fresh water. Soon we see the people live on the land. One day we see a big group of people. They are on the beach. They have many children. They watch us. I want to stop. I want to go to the pupil, but the boy doesn't like this idea. He is scared. The pupil want to give us some food. Two people run to the forest. They return with some food. We don't want to go to the beach, but they don't want to swim to us. We don't know how to take the food. The pupils see this. They put the food on the ground. Then they go back. When they are far from the food, we go to the food. Now we are not scared of the pupil. They come to us. We thank the pupil, but we have nothing for the pupil. At that moment, we see two animals. The animals run down from the hill. The people are scared. One animal attacks a young girl. I shoot at the animal. I kill the animal. The second animal is scared. The animal runs away. The people are shocked when they hear the gun. They are also shocked when they see that the animal is dead. The people are happy that the girl is alive. They thank us. They give us more food and water. Now we have a lot of food and water on the boat. We continue our journey. The next day we see some islands. I think that we can visit the islands, but at that moment the boy starts to shout. He starts to shout because he sees a ship. The boy is really scared. He thinks that it is a pirate ship. But I look at the ship. I see that the ship is Portuguese, but nobody on the ship sees us. So I shoot from a gun. They hear the gun. They see us. Soon we are the Portuguese ship. They speak Portuguese, Spanish, and French. But I don't understand the men. But one Scottish sailor is on the ship. He comes to me. I tell him our story. Then all the sailors are very nice. We can stay on the ship. We are very happy. We offer our boat to the captain, but the captain doesn't want to take the boat. He wants to pay for the boat. It is very nice. I tell him that he can buy our boat. I give him a good price. It is a half of usual price. The captain agrees. The captain also wants to train the boy as a sailor. I don't like this idea. I think that the boy is very young for this job. I think that the boy also needs freedom. But the captain says that it is good for the boy. Thank you for watching my video. Tomorrow we will learn next part. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.